Hello, welcome to InfoComm 26. Now we are Grenso Group. Here we bring the stage light, the bin 420 to here. We can see the bin feather here. This is our new model, our new product to show in the show. So this light with the new program, we can see anywhere. So if you want to learn more about this product and some other models, you can visit website. Our website you can check the catalog here. Where? Yeah, the Seestars. Okay, the Seestars.com. Please learn about it. Yeah. Yeah, here you can see our name and the website here. Yeah, please check on our website to learn more. Thank you.